It's that time of year when so many of us are trying to be healthy, but we need to have a little fun, right? You don't want to totally derail all of your healthy choices, though. So we have food expert Mary Berg here to help us stay on track, but have a little fun.
I'm gonna try, Kelsey.
Okay, so I have high expectations for this first one, Mary Berg, because my husband and I have committed to healthy eating, and this is going to be our treat meal on the weekend, so it better be awesome.
Okay, well, fingers crossed, because I hope I don't blow your weekend meal. But honestly, this is my thing is like after the holidays, going cold turkey into straight up like salads and whatever does not sound like a recipe for success to me.
No.
It sounds like you're gonna fail within 2 weeks. At least maybe in my experience. But I'm making, the first thing we're doing is like a nacho bake, but we're healthying it up a little bit.
Okay, we got cauliflower and we got sweet potato here.
It's delish.
Right?
And now to like kind of give it that nacho flavor, I'm gonna add on just a little bit of olive oil. And like, to be honest, in my brain, which is mostly made of fat, oil is good for you because it adds to brain health, in my opinion.
Totally.
So, and then we're gonna add on some taco seasoning.
Okay.
And for that, you can get that at a bulk food store. You can also get it just in like that, like the Mexican aisle at your grocery store.
In the little packets.
In the little packets.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna add on some cumin, which is so good and really, really good for inflammation. So, delish and wonderful.
Okay.
Then all I'm gonna do is mix that up, put it on a nice sheet pan, roast it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's nice and golden, flipping halfway through.
TV magic.
TV magic.
This is what it looks like.
This is what we get. And I've also added on here a ton of fiber in the form of black beans.
Now, did you roast the black beans?
Yeah, so that kind of busts them open and it makes them a little bit more meaty tasting.
Okay, this smells so
good. It smells like nachos, but it looks like healthy. So, Kelsey, I'm gonna do, let's switch sides.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna get you to do the fun part.
Okay.
So I'm gonna stack some of this on here.
Okay.
And then if you would sprinkle cheese on there.
Yeah, I will.
So we want to do 2 layers of cheese because yes, we're being healthy, but let's be honest. I just got back from Paris and I've eaten my body weight in cheese in the last week.
Oh my gosh.
So I can't not eat it now.
So good.
But basically we just do that in 2 layers.
Okay.
Bring that to the oven.
Okay.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
And then we come back.
Ooh. This looks amazing and really heavy.
Really heavy.
If it wasn't hot, I'd come help you.
Nacho, nacho, nacho.
Okay.
There we go. And then if you would get to topping while I close the oven.
Oh my gosh, all the thingies.
We've got salsa.
Yes.
And then instead of sour cream, we're using Greek yogurt or skyr, which is amazing. It's an Icelandic kind of yogurt that's so thick and amazing.
And sounds really healthy.
Oh my gosh, it's like filled with protein. It's genuinely, I think like a cup of it has like 25 grams of protein in it.
Oh wow.
Which is huge. So we're just basically building a delicious nacho plate.
Okay.
Some lime on there, some green onions, tons of veg.
Like, so good.
I want to eat this, right?
Yeah, this looks amazing.
Then I'm going to finish it with some feta because, and it's light feta, so you know, potato.
Okay, so not only is it healthy, but when you lift the pan out of the oven, you'll get a little workout.
Total workout. I'm so strong now, guys. I feel like Hulk Hogan.
Okay, so now we got our snack food covered. Let's move on to maybe a meal choice for you, and we're ditching the meat for a vegetable.
For a vegetable, exactly. And we're also ditching the cooking method for a healthier cooking method.
Cool.
So I'm doing eggplant parm, but instead of doing it fried and battered in that delicious like breadcrumby cheesy batter, I'm gonna do it roasted.
Okay.
So this is my first tip and like basically my main tip when cooking with eggplant, Kelsey, because I feel like people who don't like eggplant don't do this step.
Well, and I just don't even know what to do.
Okay, so it's weird, touch it.
Yeah.
It feels spongy.
It does.
To make it not spongy though, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sprinkle it with salt.
Oh.
And now we're not eating all this salt, but what this does is it removes some of that water, because this is like basically just water. It's like a water plant.
A water sponge.
It's a water sponge,
okay.
Exactly. But what that does is it draws out that water and it makes it more concentrated and it gives it a more like chewy, meaty, delicious texture.
Okay.
Which is amazing. And then we roast them in the oven. Once we do that, thank you, Kelsey.
Did you like my little sound effects?
You're amazing. I did. But once we do that, we wipe off all that salt, so it's not getting a ton of sodium. And then we're left with these delicious roasted eggplant slices. And would you put some sauce on each of those?
Yeah, I would. Okay.
So basically, I'm making these look like little pizzas.
Okay. I don't know, I can't cook without sound effects.
I think that's so much more fun.
I feel like we're like space wizards.
Space wizards. Kelsey, I think you just named our new show.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, okay.
And then basically what I'm gonna do now is just top just a few with some mozzarella cheese.
Okay.
Once that's done, I pop them back into the oven until they're golden brown and delicious, and then we stack them up and we get this delicious eggplant parm stack.
It looks beautiful.
It's cheesy, it's like for lack of a better word, like stodgy and delicious and wonderful. It's so, so good.
Mary, we have like 10 seconds left, and we have one more thing.
Don't worry, we got fried chicken. All you do, instead of frying it, you use cornflakes because it tastes like fried chicken. You just dredge it, put it in some buttermilk, some cornflakes, and then roast it in the oven, and you get delicious, crispy, unfried fried chicken.
Amazing. Ben Mulroney, this unfried chicken is for you. I will bring it down for you. Mary Berg, you crushed it.
Thank you.
Thank you, keeping us all on track.